Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to knit the cable stitch without a cable needle. Who doesn't like beautiful cables like these? But if you ever tried knitting them, then you know that picking up the cable needle, slipping stitches, bringing the stitches to the front or to the back, then knitting these stitches and putting the cable needle to the side again, it can be a bit tedious and it also takes quite a lot of time. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can skip the cable needle and knit cables better and faster. So let's dive right into it. So let's start with the left cable cross. I'm demonstrating this technique with a 2x2 cable here, but you can apply it to more or less any other cable as well. If we had a cable needle, we would park these two stitches to the front and then knit these two stitches first and then knit these. So we don't have a cable needle, so what we do is we're inserting the right needle into the third and the fourth stitch from behind and sort of park them on the right needle, and then we use the thumb to press the first and the second stitch against the right needle, and now we do something scary, we drop them. And because we are pressing the stitches against the right needle with our thumb, they don't unravel and they don't slip away either. So now we can pick them up with the left needle straight away and then slip back these two stitches and knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our left cable cross. Let's do it one more time. Insert the right needle into the third and fourth stitch on your left needle from behind, and then press the thumb against the first two stitches and drop them and pick them up straight away and slip back those two stitches. And now we can knit 4 for our left cable cross without a cable needle. So of course you can knit the right cable cross without a cable needle as well. So what we're doing is we're inserting the right needle into the third and fourth stitch on our left needle from the front. And now we're using not our thumb but our index finger or any other finger, whatever feels comfortable, and press those two stitches against the right needle again, and then we pick them up straight away and slip back two stitches and knit 4. And that's how you do the right cable cross without a cable needle. Let's do it one more time. Insert the right needle into the third and fourth stitch from the front and drop two stitches and pick them up right away and knit 4. So here are our right cable crosses, and I know dropping live stitches, it sounds a bit scary and we're all worried that our project will unravel and all our work will be for nothing. But because you're pressing the thumb against the stitches or the index finger, there's almost 0 chance that they will unravel. And it will take a bit of practice, but it's so worth it, because if you take a look at this swatch here, a lot of knitters who are knitting cables, they have tremendous problems with these outer knit stitches. They look a bit too loose and sloppy, and if you're knitting without a cable needle, you're not stretching the stitches as much, so these stitches have the chance to look much neater as well. And I think that alone is worth practicing this technique. At the very end of this video, I quickly wanted to show you how to knit a 3x3 cable without a cable needle. It's exactly the same technique. In this case, we have a left cable cross, so we have to insert the right needle from behind into the 4th, 5th and 6th stitch like this. And now again, we're pressing our thumb against the first 3 stitches and drop them and pick them up straight away. See, they're barely in the air for a second or less than a second. And then we slip back those stitches to the left needle. And in this case, we would have to knit 6. Oops, knit 6. And that's how you do a left cable cross with a 3x3 cable without a cable needle. Anyway, that's it. That's how you knit the cable stitch without a cable needle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, and of course consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more from me. And happy knitting!